The Level 4 award in the Internal Quality Assurance of Assessment Processes and Practice is a government-regulated and TQ UK approved course that forms part of the Training, Assessment and Quality Assurance suite of qualifications for England, Wales and Northern Ireland. The course has been designed for those who want to work within internal quality assurance or are currently doing so, and it will qualify you to quality assure any sector. The qualification is made up of a combination of 2 units, according to IQA job roles. Unit 1. Understanding the principles and practices of internally assuring the quality of assessment. And Unit 2. Internally assure the quality of assessment. This course is delivered online through our cutting-edge online learning platform. Material includes a detailed course manual, useful guides, supplementary resources, templates, handouts and videos, accessible online 24 hours a day, meaning you can fit your study around your lifestyle as convenient. Our professional course materials will teach and guide you step by step, and you'll have a dedicated tutor who will provide full support every step of the way. Join the thousands of satisfied students we train each year. Our long-term proven track history and feedback speaks for itself. Take the next step towards your goals with an accredited qualification and train with an award-winning school. Choose the Level 4 award in the Internal Quality Assurance of Assessment Processes and Practice today.